Hey agents! We've just launched our most time-saving feature yet, recorded videos with smart timestamps. First, you'll find all your saved calls under this new recorded videos icon. But here's the magic. Feature 1, smart timestamps. Videface now automatically identifies and tags all the special moments during your call. You can see exactly when key actions happened, like document shared, signature shown, or even the crucial moment when the client signed. You can skip the small talk and jump straight to the exact second you need. No more guessing, just precise context. And we'll continue adding more events to improve that accuracy. This brings us to feature 2, clip and go downloads. You probably don't need the entire 45-minute call for your rental software. Now you don't have to download it. Just select the specific clips you need. Download those short, important segments, and upload them quickly. Of course, you can still download the whole call if you want, but now you have options. Finally, for our management and oversight teams, we have feature 3, enhanced admin control. Administrators can now review not only their own calls, but also the calls of any other agent or admin within the company. This is perfect for quality assurance and training. Plus, every company can decide whether to automatically record every client interaction, making compliance easy, or manage it manually. So, there you have it. Smart timestamps, clip and go downloads, and enhanced admin control.